We're at the farmer's market now. Thankfully, this farmer's market never closed during all the shutdowns and closures. It's a smaller market and I think that's why it doesn't get very crowded. And so let's go buy some veggies. Also, hi. A quick word. I'm starving. I need to get inside to make my lunch with all these plants I just bought. I took my time today at the farmer's market. I normally just try to get in and out, but I really wanted to talk to my farmers to learn more about what they're doing with the soil. Have they ever tried to get certified organic? If they have, are they discouraged by the whole system and how expensive it is and how cumbersome it is on their farm? And also what their practices actually are. I talked to a tomato farmer because some of his tomatoes are grown in a greenhouse, and for those he doesn't need to spray, but the ones that are grown outside, they do spray chemicals and pesticides and possibly even Roundup, which is really, really damaging for the soil and also for our health. But I really appreciated his honesty with that I can know, okay, I don't actually want to buy these tomatoes, because he doesn't know which ones on the table are from the greenhouse and which one are from outside, and I really appreciated having that conversation with him. If you do have a farmer's market that you go to regularly, I really encourage you to take the time to talk to your farmers, get to know them, learn their names, learn where they're actually growing, which cities, what kind of neighboring farms they have. There's one stand that is shared by a bunch of farms and farmers that are all neighbors, and they all choose organic practices even though they're not certified organic, and it's just really comforting to know, to buy from them, that I'm not buying from this farm that's, you know, doing the right thing for the soil and the plants and my own health, but then the neighboring farm has a bunch of sprays like coming on over. I'm just really passionate about sprays right now and soil. I've been listening to Zach Bush. I'm gonna linky some stuff below so that you can learn. Dr. Zach Bush is very inspiring for me, and just his message resonates, and he's all about the microbiome and getting out in nature as much as possible and getting away from chemical farming and bolstering up and supporting those farmers who want to do the right thing by the soil and grow organically. I need to eat lunch. Bye. To style food. father and I already planted our summer garden this year, and it's very exciting. We have tomato plants again because they did so well last year. Oh, that's really hot. And if you guys remember, we had Persian cucumbers in the back last year, and we literally had hundreds of cucumbers. It was insane. I could not keep up with them. So we decided to do them again just because it was so fun, and I love cucumbers anyway. When I transplanted the little start, it died on me. So first I thought, oh, I'll just get another Persian cucumber and put it in. But then I thought it might be better to keep the garden a little bit more diverse. I guess it's better for pests when you have a more diverse garden. And then also it's just fun because those two plants, I'm sure I'll get plenty of cucumbers from them. So I wanted to do something else that's going to trellis up or vine up the trellis. And I got a green bean, but this is a variety called, Japanese yard long, and they're very, very long beans, so that'll be really fun to add to meals. So we're just gonna add that in, and then I'm gonna plant some basil in a little planter up there as well. Hello and welcome to the afternoon. We are now going to ferment some cabbage and call it sauerkraut. This is another inspiration from Zach Bush. I should probably title this like a Zach Bush inspo video. I really like sauerkraut, but it's totally expensive at the store, and I heard Zach Bush in an interview recently talk about how easy it is to make your own sauerkraut and how it's extremely cheap, which he's right. Why do I buy sauerkraut? Why? I'll link below the video instructions that I followed. I used to make fermented veggies quite often, but I haven't done it in a while, so let's see how it goes. All right, now that that is all made, I'm going, Hannah, work on your angles. Now that that's all made, I'm going to work on dinner. I'm going to make this new recipe I've never tried before. One of my best friends found it, made it, said it was amazing. She went on and on, so I said send it to me, and now is the day. It's like an African peanut stew. I'll link the article below. It's in the Wall Street Journal. And this stinker just will not get off the counter. Are you a cat on the counter? Go ahead, do your thing, kitty cat. Or are you like a get off the counter, you damn kitty cat? Who are you? I'm B. Another fun thing I thought I'd share with you, if you guys watched my house tour video of all of our renovations, I told you about our leaky faucet. Well, the other day, the cold handle just broke apart in my hand, and now I have to, every time I want to turn on the cold water, I have to use a wrench. It just makes cleaning that much more exciting. Let's make food. You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in
Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
I'm feeling so inspired by this dish. I tasted it, it looks amazing. It's just like new flavors that I don't normally eat together, and it's so good. I feel so good about this that I'm urging you to make this recipe just to switch it up. Stop making your boring old rice and beans that you're just kind of getting bored of, or your vegan mac and cheese. Make something new. And just for you, I am making a very specific playlist for you to listen to while creating this dish, because I highly recommend dancing in the kitchen while you cook. So that's yeah.
I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.